Today I will teach you how to make illustrated maps on Procreate. So I made this entirely from Procreate, and it's a map of Baguio City. I made this for a wedding invitation. So yes, I'm zooming in on Hill Station, which is the venue for the wedding. The first step is to find the actual map online using Google Maps. Take a screenshot of the map and place it under the layers on Procreate. So I am plotting the major roads and landmarks around the venue. Make sure you have those in your map. On top of this layer, I blocked off the whole area using a different color. In here, it's the green color. Trace the roads on top of your background color. Now here is the fun part, designing your landmark icons. Parks surrounding the venue again. So you can add trees. I basically designed them according to how they look from the outside. So for Baguio Museum, as you see, that's the facade of the place. For Museo Cordillera, it's a big building like that. And you can also add the lakes around. This is the Egret Garden. And so on another layer, I made sure all the major roads were there. Added a background color that's darker. You can add the fun elements like trees or any animals like horses or cows if it's in a rural area. And yes, there's a rose compass there. And you can stylize the trees around the area. And that's it. So this is like a hand-drawn illustrated map. It looks hand-drawn, but I made this digitally using Procreate. I hope you learned something today.